In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add voice typing in Google Docs. This is a fantastic and time-saving feature that can make your document editing process so much faster and easier. Whether you're working on a big project or capturing ideas quickly, voice typing can be a game changer. So let's dive into how you can make use of this feature in just a few simple steps. First things first, you'll want to start by going to Google Docs. To do this, open your web browser and type in docs.google.com. This will take you directly to the Google Docs homepage where you can access all your documents. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll need to do so at this point. Once you're logged in, you can proceed to open an existing document or create a new one, depending on where you'd like to use voice typing. Now that you've got your document open, the next step is to navigate to the menu bar at the top of the screen. Here you'll find a variety of options, but for voice typing, you'll want to click on Tools. This will open a drop-down menu. Look for the option that says Voice Typing and click on it. This convenient feature is easy to find and quickly accessible under the Tools menu. Upon selecting voice typing, you'll notice that a small microphone icon appears on the left side of your document. This is your main tool for enabling voice commands. It's strategically placed for easy access whenever you need it. The microphone icon is simple to spot with its recognizable shape, ensuring that using voice typing is straightforward and intuitive. Now, to start voice typing, simply click on that microphone icon. If this is your first time using voice typing in Google Docs, your browser might prompt you to allow access to your microphone. Don't worry, this is a standard security measure to protect your privacy. When you see the prompt, just click Allow. This permission is necessary for Google Docs to recognize your voice and transcribe it into text accurately. With these steps complete, you're all set up to begin voice typing in your document. Once you click on the microphone and dictate, you'll see your spoken words appear as text on the page in real time. It's an easy, efficient way to input text, especially useful for those who think they type slowly or are on the go. Remember to speak clearly and at a steady pace for the best results. And there you have it. You've learned how to add and utilize voice typing in Google Docs effortlessly. This tool can enhance productivity and make documenting much less time-consuming. Thanks for watching and happy voice typing.